Roblox teams up with BitPay to offer Ripple's XRP as a new payment option. Ripple job posting hints at possible IPO. XRP community says. Guys, we got so much to talk about, and we can't even forget about the BlackRock and JP Morgan are quietly laying down the groundwork for the next Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and crypto price bull run. Guys, there's so much going on right now. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video to get through all of those juicy details. But let's not waste any more time and let's start looking at some tweets here. So here we got this tweet from Black Swan Capitalist. Alarm. Leaked confidential reports reveal that financial giants #BlackRock and #JP Morgan have been quietly accumulating XRP. No surprise here, institutions will sweet talk the masses with Bitcoin while going for the best performing technology. They linked the article here, and I believe I have that up later so we can take a look deeper into that. But here's a screenshot. The leak report, which appears to have come from an anonymous insider within JP Morgan, reveals that the banking giant has quietly accumulated more than 7.5% of its total wealth in XRP. This is a significant revelation as it showcases JP Morgan's confidence in the potential of XRP as a long-term investment. It's worth noting that JP Morgan has not officially confirmed this report, adding an element of intrigue to their involvement with XRP. Very interesting take here, guys. Like Black Swan Capitalist at Versan Eljara, shout out to him. Check out his content. Great tweets. Let me fix my camera a bit. Great tweets out here. Yeah, he's absolutely speaking facts here. No surprise here. Institution will sweet talk the masses with Bitcoin while going for the best performing. Why do they do this? Very easy. If they're trying to essentially do some sort of centralization of finance in the sense that they're trying to manipulate the influence that they have over these markets to, you know, whether it's to get people to buy or get people to sell so that they can work their magic. But this report says is kind of proof to that testimony that they're talking about Bitcoin, but now they're looking at XRP. You know, we're looking at a lot more bigger organizations taking a look into XRP and taking it seriously. Very, very interesting. Right here, 1974 says XRP equals 7.5% of JP Morgan's total wealth? Would be nice, but I don't think so. Yeah, I mean, it's tough. Wait, that's a lot of money. Sorry, wait, 7.5% of its total wealth in XRP? That is insane. Holy crap, I wonder how true that is. We're just gonna have to hold our heads. This is something, when you have these kind of accusations, guys, or not accusations, these kind of leaks and stuff like that, always hold on to your seat. Don't just jump on these kind of things right away. But what it is a nice indicator. So now you know what to look for when you're looking for information and stuff like that. You can look for, you know, whether or not this got, you know, verified or unverified. You know, these kind of things are very important. Next, we got this tweet from Ido Farina, XXRP, at Edward Farina. France has chosen XRP. Among the most powerful countries in the world, France, the 6th GDP, is the first to admit that it wants to commit XRP for its digital euro. In 2021, Banque de France successfully used CBDC in a test environment in connection with Target 2 Securities, the European Central Bank Settlement Platform. In a paper called Implementation of Real-Time Settlement for Banks Using Decentralized Ledger Technology Policy and Legal Implementations, the Bank of France had already praised at Ripple Technology and XRP. As you can see, they used it to explain the blockchain, decentralization, and revolution for cross-border payments. Virtual currency, bridge any currency pair. Here we can see it right here that they have these underlined talking about using XRP for cross-border payments. Very, very interesting. Well done. This is one of the few good things that France has done. I no hate to France, but done a lot of questionable things in the past, as any other country has. So, but yeah, very interesting. We're gonna just have to see how this comes out. I mean, right now it's just talk, right? It is just talk. It's not like, you know, they did a test, and that's a very huge step too. But they're only just admitting it wants to commit to XRP. Whether it has committed to XRP is a whole different story, and whether it's actually implementing XRP is a whole different story. So guys, keep that in mind. Next, we have the Bearable Bull. Shout out to the Bearable Bull. Fantastic. He makes fantastic videos and has fantastic content. Highly check him out. XRP feels close to erupting and the stage is being set. World War is likely, and Larry Fink tells us that the war times are bullish for crypto. Ripple IPO feels close. XRP and Roblox is massive. Things feel so bullish for XRP. Something will give soon. Interesting. Yeah. No, I absolutely 100% agree. I mean, the fact that XRP is going it's like going into entertainment with like Roblox and stuff like that, but it's also going into bigger scenes like what we're just seeing with France and what we're seeing with like Argentina and I believe El Salvador as well. So it's very interesting. I might be wrong about El Salvador, but I think it was El Salvador, or maybe it was Honduras. there was another country that was also using XRP as well, or they're considering XRP. So it's very big news, guys, and this is the kind of thing we got to keep on the lookout, because this could like the Bearable Bull is saying, is that these are signs for a huge bullish run. So we're gonna have to take a look. Next, we got this article from Cointelegraph. Ripple job posting hints at possible IPO. XRP community says. Interesting. Let's hop right into it. So, fintech payments company Ripple released a new job posting on October 16th for a shareholder communications senior manager across multiple locations in and outside the United States. The job posting prompted many crypto enthusiasts to label it as an official hint about the company's plan to go public. The job posting outlines that the role will require direct communication with shareholders, a concept generally associated with publicly traded companies. The chosen candidate would be responsible for developing and implementing communication and relationship management strategies for existing and prospective investors, current shareholders, and financial analysts. The job description emphasizes the candidate's need to create strategic plans specifically suited for situations like M&A, mergers and acquisitions, investments, liquidity events, and other high-impact moments. So, guys, essentially what this is saying, that there's a new job posting that's talking about like managing stakeholders, managing investors. And the reason people are saying that this might be something that's important to Ripple is because when right now it's still private, right? It hasn't gone public yet, and there's some rumors about it in the past. And so what they're saying is, with this job that's coming out, and the Ripple as a company is focusing on trying to go public, or it's saying that Ripple as a company is trying to go public. So very, very, very interesting, guys. Hopefully this means we're gonna see its publication very soon. Maybe they're just waiting for the SEC trial to be over. We'll have to see. Next article, we're going to go into the Roblox concept. Roblox teams up with BitPay to offer Ripple's XRP as a new payment system or payment option. So let's get right into it. So what happened? With more than 200 million active users and 65.5 million daily active users, Roblox will now include Ripple as one of its payment methods for in-game purchases, subscriptions, and transactions. The news was announced by BitPay on its X account. Very, very, very interesting. So I wonder how this is going to play out. Are Roblox going to be replaced by XRP, or can you buy Robux with XRP? And I think the latter is going to be the case. Like, you're just going to use XRP to buy Robux. But it's still very interesting. We're going to have to see how this turns out. But regardless, one way or another, it is absolutely fantastic. We love to see it. All right. And the next article we have here is from Forbes. BlackRock and JP Morgan are quietly laying the groundwork for the next Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto, and XRP bull run. So let's get right into it. So the Bitcoin price has swung wildly this week, temporarily boosting other major coins including Ethereum and XRP, due after a false report that BlackRock's BLK 0.1%, a closely watched spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF application has been approved, went viral, and was picked up by the likes of Reuters and Bloomberg. Meanwhile, BlackRock has become the first Wall Street giant to use JP Morgan's blockchain's collateral settlement system, part of a plan that BlackRock's chief executive has said will usher in the next generation for markets. Bitcoin's historical halving that's expected to cause crypto price chaos is just around the corner. Very, very interesting. So let's just talk about this a tad bit more. So JP Morgan's Ethereum-based Onyx blockchain and the bank's tokenized collateral network were used by the BlackRock to tokenize shares in one of its money market funds, sending them to the London-based Barclays in an over-the-counter derivatives trade. CoinDesk reported Bitcoin's and crypto blockchains technology allows traditional assets to be tokenized on a public ledger, potentially making the transfer of anything from stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments like art cheaper and easier. Last year, BlackRock chief executive Larry Fink called the technology very important, writing in his annual letter to shareholders that very interesting developments are happening in the digital asset space. Fink also predicted many of the big Bitcoin and crypto companies aren't going to be around for long in the aftermath of FTX's dramatic collapse, suggesting that Wall Street giants could take over the management of Bitcoin and the crypto space. I don't know how real that is. I don't know how true that is, or how much I agree with that statement. It's my own personal opinion, but we'd have to see. I don't know if you guys can hear my cat or not, but anyways, guys, that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in and tapping into the video. I appreciate it so much. I hope that you guys got some important information in the current XRP news. Remember, guys, nothing I say is financial advice. It's just me reading off news and implying, or not implying, but just having some discourse on my own opinion and my own beliefs. I'm not encouraging anybody to buy or sell or do anything. Regardless, though, if you stuck around this long, I'd really appreciate if you could like, subscribe, and share. It'd mean the world to me. But until the next video, I hope you guys have a fantastic day and good luck trading.